Do you or someone you know suffer from back pain? Statistics indicate that over 75% of the adult population suffers from some type of back pain. Introducing the latest in inversion technology from Healthgear, the leading supplier of quality inversion tables to the retail market. Thick, bolstered padding with a fully adjustable headrest pad offers the highest level of comfort and support for men and women of all ages. Secure ankle adjustment system. Our new massage pad provides ultimate comfort and back massage. Start inverting today to help relieve back pressure, elongate the spine, reverse the negative effects of gravity, increase blood circulation, promote stretching, relieve muscle aches, relieve stress, all in the comfort of your home, apartment, or office. Simply declining to a 20-degree position to help relieve many forms of back pain and help bring nourishment back into the spine and discs in just minutes a day. Simply continue to invert to 40 degrees, 60 degrees, or even 90 degrees by using the advanced onboard pin controller, folds and locks for easy storage. If you've got back pain, get Healthgear. Always consult your physician before starting any inversion therapy.